Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and on today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to start an online business and make money. Because let's just look at it. No one wants to start a business, invest their money, and never get any return back. And get this, the way that I'm going to show you in this video is it's going to allow you to literally do it for almost literally free. All right, so let's just get into it. I don't want to waste too much more of your time. I want to show you here on my whiteboard in a minute. But if this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them. Alright, so with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and minimize my camera and then take you over to the whiteboard. So give me just a minute. Alright, so let's transition here. Okay, and let's minimize my camera. Alright, so now we're here on the whiteboard. Now this process won't take very long at all, so just pay attention with me, and if you don't get anything, just go back, watch it again until you get what I'm going to show you. I promise you're going to get a light bulb moment that goes off, and you're going to realize that the way that I'm showing you is literally going to be free. All right, so let's get into it. First things first, you're going to need a platform. Right now, for this video purpose, it could be any platform you want to use, but I want to show you this platform because this is like one of my favorites, and it's a very simple way to build a business. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so the first thing we're going to need, let me make sure I have my correct stuff here. All right, so the first thing we're going to need is we're going to need a P, right? Now, this P is going to stand for platform, right? Now, since we're talking about YouTube and how you can do this literally almost free, like I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, all right? So I'm going to hit equal signs here. I'm going to draw equal signs. Sorry about that. And that platform is going to be YouTube. So I'm going to draw the YT. All right, so that's the platform we're using. Now, with YouTube, there's a process that has to be done, or your channel is not like your business is not going to grow like you want it to. All right, so we have the platform. Now I'm going to draw an N, right? This N stands for niche or niche, whichever you would prefer. All right, now you have you're going to be using YouTube. You understand that. And you also understand that you have to choose a niche, right? Whether that's make money online, affiliate marketing, relationships, dating, either whatever niche you decide to choose, all right? So now we're moving into the next phase, right? So you have your niche. Now you're going to have to create your YouTube channel. Now what I'll do is I'll just draw CH right here. That'll just stand for channel, all right? Now, so far, we got our platform, which is YouTube. We have our niche, right? We've chosen that. Now we created our YouTube channel. Now, here's the thing that you need to do. The channel has to relate to the niche, all right? So it has to be a channel based around the niche. Now, let's jump into the next phase, which is the, let me draw an arrow down here, all right? Now, with the channel, once you create the channel, you're going to have to create content for the channel. Okay, right? So that content also has to relate to this niche. Once you get that, once you start creating that content for that niche, you're going to start to generate. Let me draw another arrow, right? Boom. I know that ain't the best arrow, but after you, create the content, you're going to start to generate views. All right. So let me spell that out real fast. All right. All right, so you're going to start to generate views, and guess what's going to happen after you start to generate views, right? There's going to be people that consistently watch your videos, which will eventually become subscribers, right, of your channel, or just people who just constantly enjoy watching your videos, right? They've already said yes, all right? So you're getting those views. Now those views will become A, right? I'm going to draw another arrow. This arrow is going to be the A. A stands for audience, right? You see the pattern here. You see how this is working so far, right? We haven't even got into the making money part of it, right? Because all of this stuff has to happen before you can really start making money, right? So the views, then you start to build an audience for yourself. So now that you have your audience, this is where we transition into actually making money. All right. So YouTube allows you to monetize videos that you put up, right? So essentially you're getting paid to upload videos. All right. Now that's not going to be life-changing income for most people. Now, especially when you're just getting started, it's not going to be something that's just going to help you quit your job. Now, this is the part where I explain what you're going to be doing with the income that you earn, right? So let's say you get the requirements that they require for the YouTube Partner Program, and you can actually just search on Google, the requirements for it, all right? Now, once you reach those requirements, you're able to monetize. Once you start to monetize, you're going to start to, earn income over time, right? This is going to be a process, so you're going to earn income over time. And that income, right? Let me draw a little box, like a money box, like a money sign box, right? So draw S, do the money sign, right? So the money, once the money is made through advertising, if you don't know what I'm talking about, basically this is how it works. With the YouTube Partner Program, before a video starts, you can put an ad in front of that video, right? And if people are clicking through that ad, then you're going to start to generate income. That's the simplest way for me to explain how you're going to generate income for free through YouTube. All right. So you got that. Now, the money that you make from YouTube, you see, we haven't paid for anything at this point, right? Everything has been free. You chose your platform, you chose your niche, you created your channel, you created content, you generated views, and you created an audience, right? We haven't paid any money for anything. So you're making money for free. Now, this money, you're going to take the money that you're making from YouTube for free, and you're going to invest that into ads, okay? Hopefully you just got a light bulb moment, right? You're the person who's creating the income by doing all of this, what I've shown you here, to generate free income to now take that income and invest into ads. So it's not coming from your own your own money that you already have. You're using a platform, right, to generate income, and then use the income you generated to put into advertisements, such as Facebook ads. That could be for YouTube ads. That could be for Bing ads. That could be for any type of advertisement you want, right? Because let me explain the difference between free and paid traffic. All right, free traffic is very effective. It's one of my favorite ways to do it, right? Because you're going to always have, content out there that continues to generate you traffic, leads, and sales. All right. Now, what paid advertisement does is it helps you to scale what you already have. So if you're already, let's say for instance, you're already generating 6 figures a year with free traffic, right? With only free traffic. Imagine what can happen to your business if you use free traffic and paid traffic. And it's just like a cycle, right? It's like a system that's happening. You're already generating income for free. Now you're able to put some of that income into paid, and your business will literally start to take off, right? So I hope that you got a light bulb moment, right? And before I get out of here, let me recap it one more time so that you understand it. All right, and if you don't get it after that, just go back, watch the video, and it'll all start to make sense to you. All right, so let me quick recap. All right, so you have the platform. The platform you're going to be using is YouTube. Then with YouTube, you're going to have to choose a niche. And this is before you create your channel, right? You have to understand, okay, this is what I want my channel to be about, right? So like I said, that could be make money online. That could be affiliate marketing. That could be whatever you want. As long as I would recommend if it's a profitable niche. All right. All right. Then you create a channel. Then on that channel, you have to create content. And then after you create the content is going to generate views from people who are interested in the topics that you're talking about. All right. And then those views will turn into an audience because those people get used to seeing you so much, right? They enjoy your content. They're going to subscribe, or they're just going to watch every video that you put out. So that now becomes your own audience. So let me give you something that YouTube automatically does. So YouTube automatically creates an audience for you to retarget with YouTube ads, right? So everyone who watches a video or subscribe to your channel, there's a bunch of different things that you can set an audience around. But if someone watches your video, you can now retarget them, that audience that you created, with the content you created. You see, I really hope there's a light bulb moment happening right now. All right, so they automatically do that for you. So the audience that I was saying, that I was talking about, where you're creating income for free by just putting advertisements before your video starts, or I've seen some people actually put it within their video. I'm not a big fan of that, and I'm just being completely honest. All right. So that free way, boom, you got that money. Now you're going to take the free money that you earned from advertisements and invest into paid ads, guys. That is a powerful way to grow your business, because now you have free traffic working for you and free income, right, from the advertisements. And then you're basically doubling your income when you use paid advertisement. But you have to understand how paid advertisement works. All right, so I hope you got some value from this video, and if you did, be sure to smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to tick that bell icon, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend.